Hi, it's Jackson Tyrell here doing my regular video logs. Today I'm going to be showing how to bind the controller to the RC car. Okay, so what you need to do first, binding is a process by which the servo box connects to the controller. So what you gotta do is the first thing you want to do is you want to turn on the remote control and then turn on the car, and as you can see we have no control, so we gotta bind. So turn off the remote control, turn off the car, and insert a bind cable in channel 3 of your servo box. I don't have a bind cable, so I made this little metal clip wire to connect it to. So put the bind cable on channel 3. Hold on, let me get a good angle here. Okay, once that's snugly secure, I want to get a better view there. It's in touching the two wires, two metal prongs in there. What we need to do now is turn the car on, and you should see a flashing red LED. That means that the car is waiting for a signal. Next, you have to Next, you have to get a pencil, get your remote control, hold, if you can see this little button here, hold this button down as you turn on the controller, and this green light is flashing, while this light on the car has stayed solid red instead of flashing. That means that the car is binded. So let go of the bind cable, turn off the car, turn off the controller, take out your metal bind prong. Then you can simply turn on the car, turn on the controller, and we have movement. That's how you bind your controller to your RC car. Thank you.